Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover deleted emails in Outlook. So did you accidentally delete an important email? Don't worry, no fuss. Outlook has your back. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to recover deleted emails using Outlook. And it's super simple. Open your browser and head over to outlook.live.com and sign in using your Microsoft account email and password. Once logged in, you will land in your inbox, which you have here. So look to the left-hand sidebar of your screen and you're going to see a couple of options here from inbox down to notes or down to go to groups. So scroll through your folders until you find deleted items. Now click on deleted items. This is where all your recently deleted emails go first, kind of like a recycle bin. So browse the emails in the deleted items folder to just go ahead and browse to look for the exact one that you want. So to recover one or more, just go ahead and click on the checkbox that is next to the email or emails you want to bring back. Once you do that, at the top toolbar, you're going to see a couple of options. Okay. And one of the options you're going to find is restore. So just go ahead and click on the restore icon. You see, it looks like a small, this is what it looks like. So just go ahead and click on that. Carved error. So the email will instantly move back to your inbox or its original folder if you do that. So that's how it works. Now, you can also recover permanently deleted emails if not in deleted items. And how do you do that? If you don't see the email in deleted items, Outlook gives you one last chance to bring it back. Here's what to do. Whilst inside the deleted items folder, just scroll to the bottom of the list. And you will see, at the top of the list, you will see a link that says, this hyperlink that says recover items deleted from this folder. Here you go. So click on it. Now, this opens a hidden view of messages that were hard deleted, meaning removed from deleted items, but still temporarily recoverable. Okay, but I have nothing. So in this special recovery window, you will see a list of recently purged emails. So check the boxes next to the emails you want to recover, then click the restore button at the top. These emails will be moved back to the original folder or the inbox. Keep in mind, Microsoft only keeps permanently deleted emails for 30 days before they're gone for good, so act fast. And you've now learned how to recover both recently and permanently deleted emails in the Outlook web app. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.